When you have experimental drug tested in the USA, you need to submit investigational new drug application and obtain approval from the FDA before starting the study. But once you have an approval, does that mean that FDA cannot terminate your clinical trial? In this episode, we will review why FDA may stop your study. Early-stage phase 1 studies are seen as higher risk. If FDA find that the risk for the patients is significant and unreasonable or could lead to injury or illness, they can stop the study. It could be that the submitted IND for the phase 1 study does not contain enough information about the safety risks which could cause the study to be terminated. Or it could be that FDA have found the methods, controls and facilities used for the manufacturing the drug to be below the expected standards, which could result in the study being stopped. Or maybe the way the clinical investigation is conducted in a different way than described in the protocol submitted in the IND, which could cause the study to be stopped. Another reason for stopping the study could be that the drug was promoted commercially without permission or justification. The study could be terminated if amendment or report submitted to FDA contains incorrect information or important information is missing. If the sponsor fails to report safety information to FDA, they could stop the study due to safety risks and non-compliance. Other reasons could be failure to provide accurate annual report, failure to comply with the requirements, IND being inactive for over 5 years, or the sponsor has failed to put the study on hold when they were expected to do so. For Phase 2 and Phase 3 clinical trials, FDA still considers the already mentioned criteria, but some additional requirements apply. If the protocol is not scientifically robust to show that the drug is safe and effective, this could result in study termination. Another reason to stop the study is if there is evidence that the drug does not work for the purpose for which it has been investigated. There are other reasons for FDA to terminate a clinical trial. For example, if the sponsor has not responded within 30 days of the request for corrections or explanations. In cases where there is an immediate and substantial danger to the safety and well-being of the patients, the FDA can immediately terminate the clinical trial. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, feel free to contact us.